Uddiyana Bandha Asana. Stand in Tadasana. Spread the legs a foot apart. Stoop slightly forward, bending the knees slightly, and place the hands with the fingers spread wide on the middle of the thighs. Lower the head until the chin rests in the notch between the collarbones on top of the breastbone. Inhale deeply and then exhale quickly so that all the air is forced from the lungs in a rush. Hold the breath. Pull the whole abdominal region back towards the spine. Contract the abdominal region and lift it up towards the breastbone, pressing the hands against the thighs. Maintaining the abdominal grip, lift the hands from the thighs and rest them on the hips. Straighten both the legs and back without losing the abdominal grip or raising the chin from the breastbone. Relax the abdominal muscles, but without moving the chin and head. If the latter move, strain it at once, felt in the region of the heart. Inhale slowly. Inhale slowly and deeply. Do not hold the pose for more than 5 to 10 seconds, depending on your capacity. Take few breaths and then repeat the cycle as previously done. The cycles should be done only once a day as a stretch. Practice on any empty stomach after evacuating both the bladders and boils. It should be done during exhalation and retention of the breath in the various types of pranayam. It tones the abdominal organs, increases the gastric fire, and eliminates toxins in the digestive tract. First learn Uddiyana Bandha in the standing position, then in the sitting position, as a preliminary step for the practice of pranayam. Relax. Stand in Tadasana.